see what this MCP, what is this about, and maybe how any of us here can learn about and what we can do from it from looking at this video right here. So let's get straight into it.
Unless you've been living under a rock for the past few months, or you are a sane person that made the right choice of not making a career in IT, then you've certainly heard of the term MCP being thrown left and right, and if you clicked on this video, then you are still confused as to what exactly is an MCP.
Yeah, I have no idea what was MCP. I mean, it sounds like MPC, but I mean, I'm sure those are two different entities, so
left and right, and if you clicked on this video, then you are still confused as to what exactly is an MCP. You see, AI agents are somewhat good at writing code, summarizing reports, even chatting like humans. But when it comes to actually doing something in the real world, they stall. Why? Because every tool still needs its own clunky one-off integration. That's where MCP comes in. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is an open standard developed by Anthropic, the folks behind Claude. And while it might sound super technical, the core idea is simple. It's a universal adapter that lets AI agents connect to tools, data, and services without hacks or glue code. Before MCP...
Wait, what? Wait. So if I'm trying to get what he is saying, and I could be completely wrong and absolutely butchering this whole like conversation of what he is saying, is he saying that you can you can input like a USB-C device, right, into your computer, and like you have like other devices now able to connect to your computer, and from there it's like this MPC now can like have AI go through like your data and stuff. Is it like that what he means? I'm not sure. I'm just guessing from what I'm understanding what he's trying to say here.
MCP comes in. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is an open standard developed by Anthropic, the folks behind Claude. And while it might sound super technical, the core idea is simple. It's a universal adapter that lets AI agents connect to tools, data, and services without hacks or glue code.
Yeah, so yeah, I was correct. So yeah, he literally said it literally lets AI stuff connect to your connect via the universal ports to your computer. That's actually impressive. I mean, I don't see any issue in that. So to me, that and plus two, he did give a diagram as well. So he's saying like the MPC server, the remote services, the MPC server, the MPC. So I'm guessing this long thing is the MPC, the MPC server, which is a USB port there. Then you see the client, where you can see the MPC client, which is client.py, and that is like basically connected to your laptop or computer or whatever. And yeah, this looks honestly, I mean, look into this, man. This is pretty interesting.
Adapter that lets AI agents connect to tools, data, and services without hacks or glue code. Before MCP, if you wanted an agent to save a file, query a database, or fetch something from GitHub, you needed a custom API and a bunch of developer time. With MCP, those integrations become plug and play. Here's how it works. At the center, you have the host, which is your AI-powered app. Maybe Claude Desktop, an IDE, or something like Cursor. That host connects to MCP servers, which are like translators for specific tools. A GitHub server knows how to list your pull requests. A file server can save a summary straight to your desktop. Even a YouTube server that could watch the whole Ski Beatty Toilet series and summarize it for you. Sitting in the middle is the MCP client, which handles all the back and forth between the AI and those servers. And keeping it all in sync is the protocol itself, a shared rulebook built on structured formats like JSON, so every request and response stays clean. Thanks to that, an AI can connect with a brand new tool it's never seen before and still understand how to use it. And this isn't just theory.
Wow, that is wow. That is impressive, man. Wow. Wow. I mean, I'm guessing like for those that are interested in like building like their own AIs and stuff, like I'm guessing a video like this is extremely, I mean, obviously you have to look into it a bit more, because like if I'm being honest, like I'm still confused on like, so is it like once you plug this MPC device into your computer, right? So it's like, is he saying that there's some software that you have to download once you have this MPC device, that once you download that software and like you configure it or whatever, from there it would take the data whatever it needs and like basically sends it back to like your AI? Is it like probably like that is what he means,
between the
you know?
AI and those servers. And keeping it all in sync is the protocol itself, a shared rulebook built on structured formats like JSON, so every request and response stays clean. Thanks to that, an AI can connect with a brand new tool it's never seen before and still understand how to use it. And this isn't just theory. Block is using MCP to tie internal tools to agents. Replit integrated it so AI can read and write code across projects. Apollo uses it to pull structured data. SourceGraph and Codium plugged it into dev workflows. Even Microsoft Copilot Studio supports it now, making AI useful without needing developers to hand code every integration. Entire marketplace.
Wow, that's I mean, hey, I'm all for efficiency. I'm making life easier, man. So hey, if top companies like Microsoft, Google, maybe Apple, all of them are using it. Hey man, why can't me? So I mean, obviously this is interesting to like, obviously it's just a 2 minute video, so you can't really like it's not really gonna dive deep into everything, but I would look up how these companies are using these MCP, so I can do it myself also, like understand what they're trying to do as well. So this is it's pretty interesting,
SourceGraph
man.
and Codium plugged it into dev workflows. Even Microsoft Copilot Studio supports it now, making AI useful without needing developers to hand code every integration. Entire marketplaces are springing up too, like mcpmarket.com, where you can browse pre-built servers for GitHub, Figma, Notion, and more, ready to snap into your workflow. This has been MCP in 2 minutes.
That was good. I like it. I like it. I mean, I would say I'll do more research into it, of course, because I said I'm like the process sounds very easy, sounds very useful, but it's how I'm going to integrate that into what I'm doing is the real, the real issue. So, or the real problem. So I would have to like look further into this, but this was a really good video. I won't lie to say. Um, let's go to this
All right,
video here.
let's talk.
So let's go to the 5 stages